All right, guys, let's talk about Snapchat. Man, what an implosion. I got a video here I'm going to show you guys from back in 2021, November 16th. Basically, I'm just going through my analysis of Snapchat at the time. At the time, I did not like the stock, as you can see today. This was intraday, it was 1307. It actually went down to around 1279. And then you can see in the chart that was intraday where I snapped it. Basically, we just had a huge gap down on news. Snap got it lower ahead of earnings. They had earnings a couple weeks ago for, I believe, Q2, and they got it down, knowing, basically saying that they're not making any money and don't expect us to make any money, which is very bad. And I'm going to show you all the video where I said I did not like the stock on November 16th. I traded it around $56. I got out for a profit, and that was the last time that I traded Snapchat. Ever since then, it has cratered a 78% loss. Okay. So literally, for every dollar, 78 cents. You don't even got a quarter left. Wow. Growth stocks are going through a lot right now. A lot of these high flyer growth names that didn't make any money that we were talking about, the multiples were bad. Yeah, it's getting there. So check out the video, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think. Am I a guru or am I not a guru? Anybody could tell it was just a matter of time before all the house of cards came imploding. The Fed was raising, interest rates were high, these people were gobbling up debt, issuing stock, champagne's flowing, CEO stock options are vesting, lockups are expiring, everybody's got the hoorah. But now look at it. You all are left holding the bag. So here we go. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. No, the Snap is ugly. I really don't like Snapchat as a company. I don't think it's a good business. A lot of people use it, but I know personally I hate the advertisements on Snapchat. It takes away from the accessibility and usability of the app. Obviously, investors agree with me. I mean, the stock really hasn't done nothing. Just pretty much does what it does and goes sideways. So I got into it for a day trade today against this 8 EMA based upon literally just a sideways consolidation, snapback, whatever the hell you want to call it type of trade. But it really was not a good trade. I just made money on it because it had a news announcement. So the thing for me was it was low risk. So I got it in here. All right. So this is my entry. Got a little bit as a feeler. I should have sold it there. Didn't get the continuation I was looking for. That was my tell. I was not watching it. This candle right here was a failure candle. I wasn't watching it. So came back in, bought a little more. My out was this prior low here, 53.95. I was giving it to. So my average was about 54. About 54.30 something, and I was giving it to 53.95. So yeah, 50. Basically, I was giving it 50 cents, right? And then I ended up getting $1 out of it. So he has a 2-to-1 right there. That was really good. I sold into this move up, and then I sold the rest after hours because I just didn't want to hold it because I didn't like the trade. Like I said, this is all bearish action anyway. Granted, it can still make its way back up, but I mean, like, for me, it wasn't worth the overnight risk. When I can come in, it can be down to 52, you know. So that was Snap for today. Like, comment, subscribe.